Hello, this is Akash and welcome to Your Desire for Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a bootable USB with the help of Rufus. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to download Rufus. Let's search for Rufus. This is the official link. Let's run it. Now let's connect a USB drive. So as you connect your USB drive, it will pop up here. It's an 8 gigs USB drive. So before selecting your ISO file, you need to means first look out the partition type. So for that, you need to search for disk management. Here we got it. Just right click on the disk and properties. Go to volume. Here you can see it's master boot record MBR. So let's select here. I'm going to load Windows 8.1 Pro. It's open. It has been loaded. Here you have to select that MBR. You can change the volume label here. Now let's just hit the start button. Okay. I'm going to skip this video faster. It will take around 20 to 25 minutes to get it copied. So it has been completed. In this way, you can create your own bootable USB drive. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for new such videos. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye for now.